What's going on YouTube? Today I am going to be reviewing my 2014 Fit Benny 1 BMX bike. Right here I have the stock Fit handlebars with ODI keyboard grip, Aaron Ross keyboard grips, and I have a Salt stem with the stock Fit Benny frame. I have a FSA headset, Fit forks. I have the Odyssey seat with a tripod seat post. I have a Fit sprocket, need to put my new chain on. Stalling mob cranks, Odyssey PC twist pedals with a Haro emission front rim. And on the back I have a full Haro back. The tires, I believe they are either Odyssey. Yeah, they're Odyssey. But I'm going to show you real quick bunny hop without a chain. And yes, it is possible to do a bunny hop without a chain and ride it without a chain, but that's a lot harder. Alright, peace out YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me videos that I should do. Yeah, so bye.